Have you ever struggled to record tutorials on Edge browser smoothly? The recording area doesn't fit right? The audio sounds messy or unclear? Or maybe the browser keeps lagging while you're recording? In this video, you'll learn how to record teaching videos like a pro using Edge. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting out, you'll be able to create high-quality teaching videos that enhance learning and engagement. Let's get started! If you're new here and love tips about creating better tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Open Microsoft Edge and choose a reliable screen recorder to capture your teaching content and create engaging online videos. One of the best ways you can do it is by using EaseUS RecExperts. It helps capture any region on your computer screen and take your video content to the next level. Let's dive into how to use EaseUS RecExperts to record teaching videos on Edge. Make sure you have EaseUS RecExperts installed on your computer and launch it. Then, you can choose a recording mode from full screen or region. For example, here, choose a recording region as you want. If you need to record the sound, please turn on the microphone and system sound buttons. To record teaching videos, it is necessary to turn on the webcam to make your videos more interactive. You can click Settings to set the resolution, position, and shape of your webcam. Moreover, you can change the video conference background by enabling the Remove Background and AI recognition. Choose the background picture as you like. Before recording, you can set many things. You can set the video's output format, quality, frame rate, and more. You can also set hotkeys to help you record more smoothly and choose the color of the mouse to add highlight effects. Then, you can set the screen recorder to automatically split your video as you like. For example, split the video after 40 minutes of recording. You can also add watermarks directly to your videos. These will help you use this video more conveniently later. When all is done, click on the red REC button to begin. Now, use a proper tone to present your tutorials. You can use the hotkey you set to stop recording. I set it to F9. After recording, you can browse the video in the preview window. EaseUS RecExperts also offers many editing features. Edit your videos according to your needs. For example, click Trim to delete some parts of your video. You can use AI Assistant to extract audio and convert speech to text. This can help you quickly match subtitles and key information. You can also compress your video without quality loss according to your needs. That's all. We've covered essential strategies for using Edge to create professional quality teaching videos. You can use EaseUS Screen Recorder to capture any region on Microsoft Edge. It can record full, selected, or multiple screens to capture every detail. You can even record yourself to make the video look more professional and more interactive. It records system sound and microphone audio. Plus, with a built-in video enhancer, your recordings will look stunning every time. With unlimited recording time, you can create as many high-quality videos as you need. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Leave Your Comments.